Hi friends, I'm Miss Jasmine. Welcome to Little Hands Big Snacks. Today we're making yogurt dip with dippers. We're going to start with some yogurt in our bowl and we're going to add some honey. And you can add as much honey as you like, but remember, the more honey you add, the sweeter your yogurt is going to be. Here we go. And then we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon in here. And then we're going to use a spoon to stir this up. When you're stirring and mixing, that's helping you learn to cook and combine ingredients. There we go. There's our dip. And then for the dippers, I picked my favorite thing. So I have apples, graham crackers, and strawberries. What dippers did you pick for your yogurt dip? Oh, those sound great. You did such a great job. Thank you for cooking along with me today. And I'll see you next time on Little Hands, Big Snacks.